up, guys? Damn, I'm dark. Let's see. There you go. If you saw my last vlog, we are heading to snowboarding. Shimizu! And we got Ando in the front seat and Ayako's driving. And yeah, we're heading down there right now. First we got to pick up 2 more girls and then we're good. Yeah, we got to go back to my place first because we put all our luggage right there. We left it right there to go watch. If you guys saw my video, you know I'm not gonna tell you what. You go watch my video. Go, let's go, man. Why are you going back? You watch it. There's an old guy trying to do stuff. Look at him. What is he doing? Where are you going? So Shimizu, how are you?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Why hopefully? Why hope? We're like, dude. Okay, let me check something with you. You went to America for how long?
1 month.
1 month. All right. Let me ask you again. How have you been?
I'm happy.
Okay, that's alright. No, Genki.
I'm fine.
He's fine.
Genki, Mori.
What? No. Alright, so now I guess we're waiting. What are we waiting here? We're waiting for the ghosts here. We're not gonna pick them up. They need their walks, so we're gonna let them walk. And then, yeah, that's true. We need to go. Yeah, let's go to 7-Eleven. Okay, there's the 7-Eleven right there. Okay, I'm too excited. Like the rush that we are going to snowboarding has hit me. Has it hit you? So yeah, okay. Oh, yo! If I don't make it, Ma, I love you. Family. Okay, I'm getting too excited. Let's just wait and then calm down. Higari is here. If you guys don't know her, she's been with us since America. Let me help her with the bags. Yo, we all here?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, man. Okay. This is a family video. You don't have to say that. Okay. We arrived at Murata, the place where we ski we're stuck in front of this truck. First the truck was stuck and then now we're stuck. We got the tires for it, but we're about to move. Okay, we're making progress. We're moving. Yo, that's scary. Okay, so that was crazy. That was like the most scariest thing. Well, not that scary, but then it was like it was on the hilltop. We could have slipped like at any time, and plus that truck could have slipped, hit us. Just didn't felt like, didn't want to think about it, but it was rushing to it. But we got here safely. Oh, what the fuck? Still got another problem with the rentals. It was crazy. But now we just don't care about it. And then now we're changing, and then we gotta go back. We gotta go down back and then get the rental. Because the rental is actually downstairs. Gotta get the rental and then get up here back. The rental change again for those people who doesn't have a wear or anything, so it's kinda hard. It's hard, and I'm trying to make a serious video. I'm gonna start the negativity right here, and then when the next shot is gonna be like positive snowboarding funness. Okay, sorry about this bit. But it's just so frustrating, you know, when you plan for so long, and then when you get here, nothing goes right. With the rental car, it didn't go right. With this rental thing, it didn't go right. And then like everything just went like south. Okay, so let's change. Next shot is gonna be more positive, more snowboarding, more fun. Okay, let's It's quite the UV, man. The UV. You're not in the shop. There you go. Okay. Yo, we're out here in the snow. We're about to go. Okay, I'm gonna get my board. But yo, we're in the snow. It's been like what? 2 years? 2 years, yeah. 2 years since we did this. So okay, we're gonna practice a bit for like on this like short hill. And then see what we still got, you know. It's a bit dangerous, it's a bit cold, it's a bit everything. Like, oh my god, but look at that view, look at that view. We're going to try to get all the way up there and see. Yo, I forgot how to snowboard. Like legit, I don't know how to snowboard no more. This is bad. This is real bad. I'm gonna go back up and see if I can do it again. But I need to I'm gonna put on the camera and then see. Like, I gotta do it calmly, man. You know what? I'm gonna put the camera down here and then film myself. Oh god, this is gonna be bad. Okay, you came back to me. I don't know if you guys can see me, but yo, you came back. Hello. Hello. We just finished eating, and now we're heading to the top, and then we are going to the other side of the mountain, and hopefully we'll get like smoother snow because I don't think not a lot of people go to the other side that much. Let's start a montage actually. Let's go. Montage. Look guys, it is harder than I thought. Filming and snowboarding, I thought I could do it, but I still need some practice with my snowboarding. Okay, so basically yeah, snowboarding and camera doesn't work with me. I still need practice with my snowboarding. So I am gonna end the snowboarding part of this video. For now, we might come back at night where I will get a little bit better maybe. I am gonna concentrate on my snowboarding right now and then get, you know, a little bit better, and then I'll get back to you guys maybe at dinner time. Let's go dinner. Let's go. Yo, okay, so we're not yet at the dinner. We're not at dinner yet. At where? Look at this room. Let me start at the entrance. Okay, so entrance right here. 6816. If you wanna see, if you wanna come, welcome. I probably won't be here no more, but still. We come in, we are greeted with this like big round, I'm gonna say big round, okay, alright? And then we got a room here. We got a Japanese style room. Now this is like our second, like third time here. So we usually use this room, right? This room to kind of like dry off our stuff, okay? We put this guy on high, right? The air conditioner on high, right? And then we just let this guys dry just to use it the next day. All right, we close the door and then it will be like a humid. It's like a big ass heater room. So, and then if you guys realize this round thing, right? You might have known that we got stairs. What? In a hotel room? That's the stairs! We got a living room and a bedroom and then a TV right there. And basically that's it. We go down the stairs. We got a closet. And then we got a toilet. It's a unit toilet. It's not that good, it's not like perfect, but there is a hot spring in this hotel. It's somewhere like on the 3rd floor, I think. So yeah, hot spring. It'd be great after snowboarding and then just going to the hot spring. Oh my god, you have no idea how that feels. But yeah, so we probably won't use this. Maybe the sink. We will shower maybe in the morning if we feel like it. But yeah, other than that, we will probably go to the hot spring. Yeah. And that's it. Okay, dinner. Yo, it's dinner time. It's been 6 hours. 6 hours. No. Like 3 hours have passed. I fell asleep a little bit. My body's sore, tired as fuck. But then we got food now. Now look at all this beautiful food. Look, everybody's eating. Everybody's eating. Yeah. I was gonna eat first, then get back. I'll get back to you guys after I eat. And then, yeah. Yo, okay, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's not much. I didn't do that much. I'm gonna try to sneak in. Like, I took a little bit, but I fell down. So I'm gonna try to sneak. Oh, well, I will. If you guys saw the vlog, it's gonna be whether I sneaked in a little bit of montage or not much. So yeah, I will try harder next time or tomorrow. Yeah, I'll do it better. I'll try to. I just need practice. I just need practice a lot. Like then I can be like, you know, more comfortable with with my feet, and then I can be more comfortable with my hands holding the camera. So that's the plan. Tomorrow again, and maybe in the morning, I'll try to get used to it a little bit more. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys loved it, liked it. If you guys do, hit the like button. If you guys want to see more, I'm here for 3 days, so hit the subscribe button and hit that bell button because I will do more vlogs. No, stop. Oh, look at this room. I'm still blown away about this room. Oh my god. Look at it. Look at it. The stairs and everything. It's like our own house. It's like our own house. Yo, okay. Again, babbling. But stop. Vlog. Yo, hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. Have a great life. I'm gonna hit the hay. So, wherever you guys are, have a great day. Have a great everything. And see you guys in the next one. We done? Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.